This is the AIRSOFTPEAK Tactical Sling Bag, or shoulder day pack, or small travel bag, whatever you want to call it. It has a single strap across the front, and you can wear it as a front pack or a backpack. This is a small version, and the small version is good for holding a few things. So I'll show you first what I've got inside, and then we'll talk about the outside. So right now I've got a pair of binoculars on the inside, and the binoculars are right here in their little pouch. I've got a water flask on the outside here and the straps at the top. And for when we go out, if any of my kids need a Band-Aid or antiseptic, I've got a first aid kit in the front pocket. So this bag's got numerous pockets all around. So I'm gonna remove the water bottle first, so you can see this portion. There is a Velcro patch right here in case maybe you wanna put a badge or something right there. On the back is a comfortable just place to rest against your body. I'm not 100% certain what this is used for, maybe to hang something that you like want to carry below you. Otherwise, you don't want bulk right here. So that's probably what that's for. There's another pocket on the inside here that does have a snap, so there's more storage there. On the sides, there's these little strap things that you can maybe put a pen or a pencil kind of thing through on both sides. And on the inside, where my binoculars were, we've got other compartments. So we've got compartment here, which is lined, the main compartment. So this is about the size of a small purse. You could put an iPad mini in here. I don't think it would fit a full iPad. And then there's another spot right there where you can use to store things. And there's a Velcro strap here. If you don't use this for a patch, you could close this if you wanted to. There's just a whole bunch of different things that you can do with this bag. The pouch here has another pouch on the outside of it. So we've got zippers, we've got pockets, we've got lots and lots of storage, all with this really cool shoulder sling bag. So I'm not gonna use the tactical portion of it. I'm gonna use it as a day bag, so when we go out with our family, we have all the little necessities that we could use that'll fit in this bag. It's really good when you're traveling with a lot of kids. So wear it on the back, or wear it on the front. It only goes one way. And you've got yourself a pretty cool bag, lots of different hooks and things, and many, many ideas. Thanks for listening and watching my video. And this is the really cool, small, portable day bag. Wear it in the front or wear it on the back. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.